All right, let's talk about something that I know so many of us struggle with. You put in the time and effort to memorize verses of the Quran, you feel like you've got it, and then poof, it just slips away. It's so frustrating, right? Well, today, we're going to dive into a simple but seriously powerful technique from Coach Mohammed Ramadan. It's a method that could completely change how you memorize, making it feel like the page is always right there in front of your eyes. So, let's get into it. So, here's our game plan. First, we'll talk about that common struggle we all know. Then we'll uncover the secret that the masters of memorization use. We'll break down the core technique step by step and get into something called the triple power, which is what makes this so effective. And finally, we'll look at the incredible results you can expect.
Okay, let's start right at the beginning, with a feeling that's just, well, it's almost universal for anyone trying to memorize the Quran. It's that sinking feeling when you realize the verses you worked so hard on yesterday are already starting to fade today.
Does this sound familiar to you? You put in the hours, you repeat the lines over and over, but when you try to recall them, it's like there's a glitch. You might remember a word here, part of a verse there, but trying to link them all together in order, it feels almost impossible. This is the exact problem Coach Ramadan points to as the biggest hurdle. And listen, it's not about a lack of effort, it's about a lack of the right technique.
So, what's the deal with people who seem to memorize flawlessly? What are they doing differently? Well, here's the secret. They don't just rely on repeating words. They engage a totally different and much more powerful part of their brain. They use a technique we can call visual memorization. Now just pause and think about this quote for a second. This captures the entire goal of the method. The aim isn't just to remember the sounds of the words. It's to have a crystal clear, almost photographic image of the page saved in your mind. I mean, imagine being able to literally see the page, to know where a verse starts and where it ends, not just in your mind's ear, but in your mind's eye.
And that brings us to the heart of it all. The official name for this, as described by Mohammed Ramadan, is pre-theoretical preparation. Now, I know that sounds a little academic, a little complicated, but don't worry. The idea behind it is beautifully simple. It's all about what you do before you even start reciting.
So here's the key. Most of us jump straight into reciting, right? We see the words and we immediately start repeating them out loud. This technique puts a new, absolutely vital step first. It's a silent phase. It's just you and your eyes. You are basically building a mental blueprint of the page, mapping out its structure before you ever try to build the house of memorization on top of it. Okay, so that's the what. Now let's get to the how. We're going to break this down into 4 really simple, actionable steps you can literally start using today.
First, and this is the most important part, you just look at the page. Don't read it, don't say the words, just scan it with your eyes. Second, you want to anchor each line in your mind. To do that, just look at the very first word of the line, then let your eyes travel to the very last word of that same line. Do that for every single line on the page. You're creating little mental signposts. Third, repeat this visual-only process. Do it a few times. You'll be amazed how fast a mental picture of the page's structure starts to form. And only then, after you've laid this visual groundwork, do you move to step 4. Now you can start your normal recitation out loud, but this time, your brain has a visual map to connect the sounds to.
Now, why is this so unbelievably effective? It's because you're not just relying on one pathway to your memory anymore. You're creating what Mohammed Ramadan calls a 3-in-1 mix, which is this powerful combination of sensory inputs working together. And this just explains the magic perfectly. Your eye is acting like a camera, capturing the visual data, the shape of the words, their exact spot on the page. Your tongue engages your motor memory as you speak the words, and your ear creates this auditory feedback loop by hearing your own voice. Each sense backs up the others, weaving this memory that is 3 times stronger than just repetition alone. It's like a multi-sensory attack on forgetting. Okay, I have to share a critical piece of advice here. For this visual technique to really work, you must use a consistent physical copy of the Quran, a mushaf. Coach Ramadan is very clear that memorizing from a phone is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. And why is that? Well, for one, the layout on an app can change, which messes with your fixed spatial memory. But even more important, your phone is the king of distractions. One notification, one text message, one call, and bam, your focus is shattered. A physical mushaf gives you a consistent, distraction-free space to let your brain build that reliable mental map.
So what's the payoff? What happens when you really stick with this method? The transformation is huge. It goes way beyond just not forgetting. We're talking about a whole new level of confidence and connection with the words of the Quran.
This right here is the true gift of the technique. You'll start to notice something incredible happening.
When you recall a verse, you won't just remember the words, you'll remember where they are on the page. You'll literally think, oh yeah, that verse is at the bottom of the left-hand page. That spatial awareness, which comes from all that initial visual prep, gives you this unshakable confidence that just reciting alone can never give you.
And that, right there, is the ultimate promise. To go from that frustrating feeling of, I memorize, then I forget, to a state of absolute certainty. To be able to close your eyes and not just hear the verses, but to actually see them, perfectly placed on the page, right there in your mind. It's a game changer.
So, we'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. For so long, we've all been taught that repetition, repetition, repetition is the only key. But what if that's only half the story? What if the real secret, the thing that unlocks strong, lasting recall, has been hiding in plain sight all along? Maybe it's not about working harder, it's just about seeing clearer.